all-in-one video and voice generator for creating content
Why
like
are
this.
you running? I just want to hug you and then send you out of this house.
Or like this.
Leo, the AI has evened out the playing field, and you can literally create anything you want.
Or this.
Welcome to Bali's ultimate cliffside escape, where
Using Google VEO3. Go to Google, search VEO3, select the first option. Click on Try Flow, select Create with Flow, click on Get Started. Sign up with your Google account. You have to subscribe first before you can generate content. You also have to add payment method, but you have 1 free month trial. Just make sure you cancel before expiry date if you don't wish to pay for the tool. I chose to add PayPal as my payment method. Once your PayPal is all set up, hit subscribe to start making content with the free trial. This is your playground to create some fun projects. Use AI to help you with prompt based on the content you want to create. But before you go crazy, adjust some settings to make sure your credits don't run out fast. Select one output per prompt. Under the model, choose the text-to-video option with audio output. Paste your prompt and hope for the best. The first attempt didn't work well. The video was good, but there was no sound. This is a few trials later.
Leo, the AI has evened out the playing field, and you can literally create anything you want.
Make sure your prompts are good if you want great scenes
Why
like
are
these.
you running? I just want to hug you and then send you out of this house.